Right there guys, been round to Farthing-Lows and give me this, obviously camera for PC, so I'm going to strip it down. It's broke, so I'm going to strip it down and see what's inside it really quickly. As you can see, that end has actually got silver plating on it. I'm going to put it to one side. He's got gold pins inside, so if I just get inside this really quickly, I'll show you what's inside it. It's probably a piece of steel. It is. See, they gold plated pins. Cut one at a time. So I'll put them in my gold plated pin jar. This camera. This wire, all I'm going to do, snap it off, cut it off, sorry. Put that wire back in the garage. That's a bolt in here, I don't want to worry about that. No. Steel. So I'm gonna get that. I'll get that bolt out later today. That's it. 4 little screws. Holding up casing together. I've never took one of these apart before, so I'm just surprised to see what's inside one. There's actually a switch on top, so that might be a silver plated switch. Setting the 4 screws there. Do some gold plating in it. Get these screws out. Couple of screws in here. The switch underneath there as well. I'm seeing the switch. Take that top bit of switch off. There's a silver plated disc underneath there. Let's try and get this gold plating. The battery's actually running out on my phone, so I'm trying to get this done quickly. It's just all plastic. So it's got a little bit of gold plating on it. That's my girlfriend burping, she's just having a dinner. Doesn't seem to be anything inside that, so we can get rid of that. A little bit of wiring. As you can see on board, gold plated on top, some monolithic ceramic capacitors. You can see it's very well on camera. Also one of these top hats. And some gold plating here also. I think that's a speaker, a miniature speaker. So sometimes these have gold plated materials inside them. So I know what you're thinking, oh, it's took you 6 minutes to get a tiny bit of gold plated material. Well, I save it all up, so I will actually save it all up, put it all in a tub, save it for 6 months, 12 months, until it's worth refining it, get it all sent to refiner, get it refined, so I'll make it worth my while. So as I say, I do this as an hobby, I enjoy doing it, I enjoy taking things apart and see how stuff works. So please leave a comment, please like and subscribe below, and see you again.